Hello everyone, welcome to my platform Take W3 Wave. Friends, if you want to become a Salesforce developer but you feel confused, if you are watching random YouTube videos but still not confident, if you want to real-time hands-on practical experience, then this course is especially created for you. In this complete Salesforce application and development course, I will teach you everything step by step with real-time practical challenges. This is not just theory, this is a 100% hands-on experience training. Friends, what you will learn in this course? In this powerful course, I have covered all of important technical areas of Salesforce development. I have covered Salesforce admin, Aura framework, Lightning Web Component, Apex Trigger, REST API integration, Lightning Flow Builder, Visual Force Page, and Formula Field and Validation Rule. Friends, if you thinking why this course is different, because many courses teach theory only, but in the TechW3 Web platform, I have included real-time practical challenges, interview-based scenarios, project-based development, beginner to advanced level, step-by-step explanation, easy language understanding, so that this course is very different from other. Even if you are beginner, you can follow easily. Friends, now listen carefully. For limited time, I am giving a huge of discount offer on this course. If you want to full hands-on experience, this is a standard course, then use promo code standard offer. If you want to complete diamond membership, that is a premium course, include advanced project, priority support and exclusive content, then use promo code premium off. This is your opportunity to build your Salesforce career. So friends, don't wait, don't delay. Your future depends on the action you take by today. Click the below link, enroll now, start your Salesforce development journey with TechW3 Web platform. I am Vijay Kumar and I will see you inside the course. Let's build your Salesforce career together. Thank you.